Okay, so it's Wednesday morning. It rained last night, so yeah, again, I can't get on with harvesting. So what I thought I'd do is we get the car out and we'll just have a quick look and see if we can assess the damage. We'll take the bodywork off and then we'll get it in the workshop ready. Probably won't do anything today, but it'd be nice to have a really good look just to see what we think the damage is. Okay, so obviously the obvious damage is these radius rods, and we'll just make some more of those. They're just a tube with an end made up, so that's quite an easy fix. The main concern to me is this top bar here. That chassis has been bent. The bottom one's straight. These, I think, are straight. Well, that hasn't moved. The engine stopped there, so I think it literally just that top one. With any luck, we might be able to just pull it out. The tube's not kinked, so hopefully with a porter pack we might be able to just bend that back out. What we'll do is we'll make a frame up between here and there and see if we can just pull it. The other concern is that obviously this bulkhead has been smashed, and we've got this bracket here that the radius rod runs in. It's starting to pull out. Well, it's broken, look. So we'll probably have to just remake another one of those, but yeah, it's just that bar that's the main concern, but it's not creased, so with any luck, hopefully we can just, it will just pull out straight. Okay, so 10 days later, back in the workshop. So finished harvest. So what I'm going to do is just strip it all down, get all this stuff out of the way, and I've only got about an hour tonight, so we'll see if we can assess this, see how we can pull this out. So let's get it stripped down. Okay, so this front pickup where the radius rod goes in, it's ripped out of there. It's bent that, and it actually bent this tube here. This tube here, as you can see, it's not only bent in, it's bent up as well. So I think it needs pulling down in this direction, I think. I think I need to cut that piece off. Let's see if we can bend this tube straight first, and then we'll tackle that. The radius rods are not a problem. My friend Ben has offered, he's got to make some of his car, so he said he'll whip a couple up for me, so that's not a problem. Okay, so what I've done is I've sort of fashioned this sort of frame with a bolt and like a sleeve around there, and we'll give it a pull and see if it actually does move it at all. Okay, so I'm back again. Sorry this is all being a bit piecemeal because I only get like little snippets in the workshop at a time. So last time we managed to pull it, and I think it has actually moved. So I'm going to move it back to this other hole. I couldn't get it into that hole last time, so I'm going to move it, see if I can get it to go into the next hole up. But I think it is actually slowly coming straight. I also apologise for the light flashing because I've got a dodgy LED. After a while it stops flashing. So we're getting serious now. Go on then. No.
Is it pushing the bog section?
It is. Yeah, I'll look at this just in case it goes. Go on, just do it. Give it another couple of pumps.
Yeah, it's just pushing it in, isn't it?
All it's doing is the box section.
Yeah.
That's it. We'll stop.
Yeah.
Right, so I need a stronger bar. Okay, Puller Mark III, farmer style tractor drawbar. I ain't going to bend that. Go on then, George. Give it a go. Oh, hang on a minute. Stop. A bit of tubes. You slack it off a bit.
Still needs to go further, doesn't it?
It's bending this drawbar now.
I think it is, isn't it?
Right, well let the pressure off, we'll turn it up the other way. Yeah, that drawbar's got a bend in it. No, as in it's sprung.
Sprung back.
Why has it sprung back there?
Okay.
Yeah, go on.
I think you want to go much further than that, do
No,
you?
don't go much further than that.
No.
We'll give it one more pull and then let it off.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
You go one more. Okay.
And leave it on or take it off?
Just take it off and see
Take
if
it
it
off
just
a little bit.
a little
See
bit.
if
See
it's
if it.
moving.
I mean, it will move back a little bit.
Oh, that's stopped.
Oh, I reckon that. Straight, yeah. That's not far off, is it?
Well, I think you're about there, mate.
I reckon that's about
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, that
Oh.
wasn't bad at all. I think it might be. It almost looks like it's further up there.
It's not brilliant, but it's
No.
better than it was.
Yeah.
Okay, so there we go. In the end, that took quite a bit of pulling and bit of farmyard ingenuity, or bodging, whatever you like to look at it. But we eventually found a piece of metal that wouldn't bend. I think this is quite a strong bit of steel tubing. But tractor drawbar, didn't bend, hydraulic press, and we've got it straight. Yeah, there's a few kinks still left in it. We're not going to get those out. And I think in this coming winter, I've been racing it 4 years now, so maybe it's time that I just took it all apart and tidied these areas up, maybe replaced some of these tubes. But that's it for now. Next time we'll see what we're going to do about this bracket down here. Then we can build the car back up, and then the real prep for Spa starts. So what have we got? We've now got about 7 weeks, 6 or 7 weeks. So yeah, there's plenty of time, isn't there? Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, write some comments, and we'll see you all next time. And remember, how hard can it be?